Hello my friend, I hope you are doing amazing, and in this video I will show you how to add the RSI indicator on your price chart. So, relative strength index, in my opinion, is the most important indicator that you might use. And to add this indicator to your price chart, you can press this button on your TradingView account and start to type RSI, and the first point is relative strength index. So right here you can find it, and here you can find some options. You can hide it, you can press settings, and I don't encourage you to change anything right here because it is just basic settings, and it worked perfectly well. You can use style in order to make some changes, and I prefer to use more bright color right here, and I prefer to use a little bit thicker line. So in my opinion it is much better. And right here, using these three dots, you can move this indicator up. For now it is some kind of mess, but if you make another movement, this is much better. So I think that's it for now, and next time I will show you how to use this indicator, and I will show you basic patterns. So subscribe, hit the like button, and see you next time. Bye!